Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not opening on Skype. To not fix or how to solve your Skype not opening, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of here Skype. Then this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that we click on storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.